Hi teacher, I'm going to talk about my last vacation. On my last vacation, I went to Baños and Ambato. First, on Baños, uh, I stayed for 2 days with my family. In this place, I visited the church with my uncle and my cousin. I ate marshmallow and Jaguar Loco. I swam in the famous holy water pools. I visited the tree house, and I think this place is a place to enjoy the nature. Then, on Ambato, I stayed for 3 days. I visited a museum, shops, church, uh, built with flowers and fruits. Uh, I had a lot of fun playing carnival with my family. The next day, um, the next day, I went to a very popular proclamation. There were dance, music, all kinds of flowers and famous people. For example, I knew the Miss Ecuador in this year. Last night, I went to a Gracie and my Bahia's concert with my sister and my cousin. I will never forget that experience. Thank you, teacher.